Okay, if you've got a ticket to opening day, consider yourself lucky. You're a lucky one. These things are selling like hotcakes.
They are, and I usually just look at the front to see where my seat is and what gate I'm supposed to use. But did you ever look at the back? There's a whole lot of fine print.
And we mean fine.
And very fine print. And we're wondering what all that is. And Andy Crouppen's here from Brown & Crouppen to explain it all and make it all legal for us.
There's something to read on the back of there.
You are lucky to have an opening ticket day.
This is not. Okay, quick story. The jacket I'm wearing, these tickets were in the jacket. These are from 2006.
So you're not lucky to have tickets to opening day.
Still on the ticket.
But the fine print's pretty much the same.
Yes, and I just got word from Major League Baseball, we are officially the first people to read the backs of the tickets ever.
I never have.
I don't think I could.
Maybe in a rain delay,
now
if I had my glasses.
And the one thing this says, when I did read it 5 minutes ago, is you are assuming all the risks and dangers associated with a baseball game.
I just read $1 off pizza at the casino.
That's old.
Yes. You are. You're walking in there. Now, a lot of the stuff that you see on the backs of those tickets, my coworker Ed and I, we were looking at it and going over it beforehand. Most of the stuff on there is just kind of mirroring what the law already says. They're just reminding you of it and putting it on there, probably because somebody in their legal department wanted to make sure they put it on there. Because remember, when you buy these tickets, you're purchasing the tickets and you're not even seeing the terms until after you've already made the purchase.
So it's common law, common sense kind of stuff.
Exactly. You know, if you're at the baseball game, you know they're playing baseball, you know the ball is hard, you know it gets hit into the stands. If you get hit in the head, you know, you're assuming the risk to some extent just by sitting there. Now, let's say you're sitting behind home plate and you get hit with the ball because there's an enormous 5-foot rip in the netting. You know, you're not assuming that risk. You're assuming there's a net there, it's properly maintained, and they're taking the safety precautions to keep you safe in an area where balls are commonly hit. So, you know, you can't generally waive negligence. You can assume the risk of things that are common. You go to
negligence is totally different.
Negligence, right. They can't just... They can't just say, oh, there's a big rip, forget about it. If they get hit, they get hit.
They take good care of you. I mean, they take every precaution, and then if something does happen, they're all over it.
They do.
And by the way, they can cancel the game and not notify you. Okay, they can reschedule it and not notify you. So read the back of the ticket. How about that?
And they can kick you out if they don't like how you're acting in there, and they don't have to refund your money, and they probably won't.
And if you're a season ticket holder, they can revoke that altogether.
They can. They've got all the power.
So
go in there and behave yourself.
And have fun.
Yes.
And by the way, if you have a legal question for Brown & Crouppen, please email us at greatday@kmlb.com. We'll try to get it in.